Hey guys, what is up? I am back with another video and I have my best friend here with me and we're gonna go on an adventure to a park which we have never been to, so we will see you when we get there. Hey guys, so we just got here at the park and we're gonna go see what cool things we find.
Hopefully we don't get killed.
She's traumatized for some reason about parks, so let's go.
Day 140 in the desert. That tree's just in the middle of the
What's up? We are back and sweaty, like real bad. Our makeup was running really bad because we went to go see a waterfall. It was extremely hot, and then let's see what else. We saw that waterfall was really pretty. We decided to cross to the other side. It was a challenge, but we crossed. So that was our little adventure for today. I'm gonna go drop this chick off.
Found a hobo.
Yeah, we found a hobo. He said hi, so we were just like, we're just gonna go through the other the other trail that was on the side. So that was the end of this video, guys. Like I said, I'm gonna go drop her off, and then I will see y'all guys in my next video. Bye.